Hi everybody, I'm back here today. Today I have something I want to show you. This is the Soursop, and this is spelled S-O-U-R-S-O-P. That's a one word. So S-O-U-R-S-O-P is the Soursop. And this is kind of a little sweet, a little sour. And probably you guys want to know how much is this cost. This cost is $25.87. That's the US dollar. 25.87 cents. Yeah, you can see that's $25.87. They sold 99. When I bought it's a 99 cent. $9.99 per pound. Some places they sell cheaper, but because I'm in a hurry, I need I'm kind of lazy to go to another place. Another place sometimes is only $6.99 per pound. Because they sell only $6.99 per pound, which is cheaper than this place I bought $3, and most of the time it's gone fast and people choose the best one. Yep, it's very expensive. It's not improved. This one is in Florida, South Florida. They grow a lot in South Florida, but because a lot of people want it, so that's why they the grocery store they sell well expensive. But I know it's in the South Florida. It's not like that kind of expensive. Sometimes the store they sell, they get the profit about 50% of them. So more than 50%, depend on which store. Some store is 50%, some they got profit is 75%. So that's probably someone sell to the brought to the Orlando and sell to the store probably about $5 per pound, I guess so. If you roll down there, probably you buy $3 per pound probably. One day I will tell you how get rich when you do business. You have to store to sell stuff, but not for today. Okay, today my main purpose is I want to show you this is a Soursop. Some of you know that, some of you have never seen that. And I know it because when I was a little, I live in my country, and we have in the backyard we have one tree. We have many of them. So we've had many of them back then in where I used to live. It's just because it's a tropical country and they have a lot, and it's a great fruit too because the soil there is different. That's the clay soil, so that's the road very good and the texture very good there. But it's not very expensive like that. We never sold any one of them because when I was young, I ate all of them. I saw them. I ate a lot of fruits. You see, this is a lot of fruits. It's some vegetable too, but more fruits a lot. Okay, let me cut it down how you eat this one for you to see. Usually in back them, I just cut in half. I cut them into pieces, and then I cut in a small piece, and I dip with some salt. Yeah. You see they have a seed there, black seeds. You can roll with this, but I don't know how long you can have fruit, but my dad used to have a couple of trees here in Orlando. He grew us for 10 years. It's tall, big, but we haven't got any fruit yet. Once it's cold season, it's not them out, and we have nothing. He bought 2 trees over $100 for them, but he didn't get anything from them. Okay, and then because this one I brought home, I left in the refrigerator. That's why they come up dark here. But if you get from the tree, it's not this type of color. I don't like this one because the color is supposed to be white. Anyway, and you can like I said, because I leave in the refrigerator, when I peel it just come up with this piece, a small piece like that. But if you fresh have never been in the refrigerator, it's easy to peel and it's nice too. Not like this. It's just sweet and sour. They have a thing like that. Some they have seed, some doesn't. This one doesn't have any seed. You can see it through the light here. See? You see the black inside, that's a seed. So you can cut the smallest pieces, the smallest pieces, to give some them to your friend to eat. Yeah, it's kind of expensive, but it's good. Okay, I show you another way to eat. You peel just these, put in your glasses or cup or whatever. Make sure they don't have any skin stuck in there, because the skin is kind of rough. It's when you eat something kind of smooth, and then suddenly something rough and may interrupt you, interrupt your enjoyable. I got my hand. See, and then you add some. If you want kind of a little more sweet, add a little bit more sugar in, and then you just stir and add some crushed ice, and you enjoy. There's your fruits, summer fruit. See, it's faster like this. Yeah, and you add some sugar in. Here's sugar, but because this is kind of sweet to me, so I don't want to add sugar in here. I can leave like this and eat. Just So if you give to the kids, give your kids to eat, make sure remove the seed. If they young, it's not hard to get seed out. You can cut and then you just use a fork, remove them like this. See, it's not difficult to do it, but it can take you some time. But if you want great taste, if you want your kid have some, you know, the fruit or whatever, or you want to eat them, you don't mind to spend a little bit time on it to repair, unless you don't like it, and so it doesn't matter how long you spend on this. You don't like, you feel like waste a lot of time. But when I want to eat, I don't care. I just sit in there and I prepare for myself. I spend a lot. See, it's not very hard to remove. Now I know. I show you another way to remove. And now save this for later. I can remove this one. See. Clean. Okay, let's I try the whole big piece like this and see what happens. My right hand today kind of little shaking. Okay. Yeah, I found another way easier to do. This is my first one to buy in the US. I never bought these fresh before because you know it's just expensive. Because I need some for very important, so I spent $25 for it. That's a little more than 2 pounds. Okay, I found another way to do it faster. But the cord here is kind of no, I don't like this one. I don't like this one. You know what? Okay, let me remove this the thing here. Okay, I remove it later. Yeah, stuck a little bit here too. Oh, did you know that you can make the smoothie with the Soursop too? I'll show you later, next time. this stuck is right here, so I clean them later. Now let me try this the whole thing. Okay, see how's that now. People say like this help fighting for cancer. I don't know if it's work or not, but some article they wrote and they said like that. Probably because they want to sell this expensive. That's why they wrote some article. Probably. But like to me, I believe every fruit is good. Only you eat enough. But if you more than that, it's not good. Probably become bad. So it doesn't matter what they say to me. Yeah. Okay. How's it? Here. This better than so I don't peel the whole cord in here. I should do it when I just bought home, because it will not like the cord will not like pink like now. Probably you want to know what happened. I haven't post any video since for this week. It's already we have any video because last Friday I want to go to shopping. I go to the grocery shopping, and I took the expressway. I just entered the access, and my car suddenly shut down. I had to park on the side. That's my first time I have to park on the highway, the high traffic, high speed. Luckily, the car and not many car last Friday. So also there no big truck, 18 wheels truck behind me. So I survived. That's my lucky. That I feel as I'm lucky. Also on my, I just entered the the highway, expressway, so that's I still on the right side lane. That's so I can park right when my car suddenly stop. I can park on the side right away. So then no car behind me. You know, hit my back of my car. But later on, I towed back to my brother, just a couple miles over there, just 2 miles, because it's on the weekend. Because when I made the decision to tow the car, because at first I think I'll leave my car there. The next day I tow, but at night I feel like, oh, probably tomorrow I don't see any wheel on my car. So anyway, let's tow back home. Actually tow to my brother's house. And you know how much it costs? Because that time is I tried to contact a towing company about start at 8 o'clock, but no one picked up the phone. Finally, my brother he got one of a tow company, but he that guy he said was towing the car right now. It took about 2-3 hours later, and he found another one. The one I called at 8 o'clock, he didn't pick up the phone. But when my brother called him about 1 o'clock in the morning, he picked up the phone, and just 2 miles from the car just 2 miles on from my brother's house, and the guy is close to my brother's house too. You know how much he charged him? He charged my brother. He charged him $125. But I don't know how much it costs when you tow a car. But on the I searched on the online, and people say normally in the local, about 5 miles they cost you about $50, some $50 to $75. Probably because he charged high because it's late and at the midnight. After midnight, that's why. Also on the weekend, that's why he charged high. Anyway, and find out my car is what timing belt is broken. Ooh, and I got another thing at that night too. I got someone that day too. Something beat me. I have when at late night I feel like something is here big. It's big, a heavy, thick, and I saw it thick and then dark circle here. That's all a week already, but still you can see that's a dark here. I see sometimes the kind of face here that have like pink, and then their face here look like the snake, the bite of a snake or someone's neck or something. But probably not the dangerous one, because I saw the picture and there people say here how the dangerous snake bite, how it does look like, how the normal one look like. So it seemed like the one is so small. I didn't find out until a couple of days ago. Um, No, actually I found out last night, but later on because my car broke down and have to deal with stuff, and I forgot about this until I just pay attention last couple of days. And then now is today, Friday. It's another week. It's a 1 week, and they they're still dark here. Okay, here. So that's the one fruit. I got how many? How much is this? You know what? I have to remove this one. I don't like it. I will remove it later. So on here you can use another fork to remove seed. You don't have to use your hand. Let's move this one this side so you can see a closer look. Okay, here, without your hand touching these. Anyway, yeah, like that. Okay, that's how I'm going to do. And you can take these and put on your blender and add some crushed iron. And if you want sugar, add a little bit sugar. If you want the condensed milk, add some little bit condensed milk, and you make a smoothie. Or add a little bit salt. So that's demonstrate the taste better. Okay, thank you for watching the video. This is a long video. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. That's the only way I know how to remove the seed like that. If you know another best way, please share with us at the comment section. Please. Thank you. Okay. Yum, 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 yum. It smell great.